Hello guys, welcome once again. Okay, so let us continue the drawing of circles, the various methods of drawing of circles. Okay, so we are now on example number 2. Okay, so once again, welcome to my channel guys, Engineerong Cowboy YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, this channel is more on learning. Kaya maganda ito guys, especially sa engineering students, engineers, and also drafting na gustong matutong mag-AutoCAD. Okay, so we are now on example number 2. Okay, so this method is using center and diameter to draw a circle. Okay, so in this example, you will create a circle by specifying its center and diameter value. Okay, so punta tayo sa ating demo or let us say AutoCAD applications. Okay. Okay, so ang una daw nating gagawin guys is click home, draw circle center diameter. Okay, so click home. So we are on the home tab, draw, then circle. Saka pala guys, yung dito is hindi mo kailangan i-click. So, pag pumunta ka sa draw, parang ituturo mo lang yung cursor, lalabas yung mga kanya, yung mga drawing types niya. Then, pag napunta ka na sa drop down, saka mo pa siya i-click. Okay, so yung ating method is center and diameter. So, we will choose this one, center diameter. Okay. Pag na-click natin to, okay, so lalabas ang circle, specify center point for circle or 3P, 2P. Okay, so ang pipiliin natin is, since we are using center diameter, so, teka, so diameter tayo. So, pick a point. Okay, so dito tayo, pick a point. Then, pag nandito na tayo sa point, type natin ngayon is 40. Okay, so 40. So, same ito. Okay, so 40. So, same ito guys sa drawing natin ganina na reduce yung gamit. So, idikit natin siya dito. Dito natin ilagay. Okay. So, this one is using the reduce. Then, ito is using diameter. Okay, so, i-measure natin. Linear. So, dito, to this one. So, yung diameter niya is 40. Okay? So, last time when we are using the reduce, ito yung lumabas. Then, in the diameter, ito yung lumabas. Okay? So, good. So, nakagawa na tayo ng dalawang circle. Then, ang susunod guys is example number 3 is yung 2 point. Okay? So, in this example, you will create a circle by specifying 2 points. The first point is to specify the location of the circle, and the second defines the diameter. Okay, so yung gagawin natin guys is click down arrow next to the object snap icon. So, object snap on the status bar. So, this is the status bar. Then, tingnan natin yung ating object snap. So, ito. So, i-click down natin to. So, nalabas yung, ito yung fly out. Then, ang pipiliin natin is, kung fly out at first, the options of fly out are called object snap. So, you will learn about it. Okay, so ito yung mga options from object snap. Okay, so pag inon mo to siya guys. So ito yung parang yung cursor mo, parang kuan niya, dinidetect niya. Example na sa endpoint, midpoint, ganyan, center node, quadrant, intersection, etc. Although we can learn this one in learning session 3. Okay, so i-discuss natin ito. Okay, so ano ba yung kailangan nating i-on dito? Okay, so okay, on naman yung ating object snap, so no problem. Okay. Then activate the center option. Okay, so i-activate natin guys yung center. Tika. So naka-activate na, so no problem. Activated na siya. Then now you will create a circle by selecting the center points of the previous circle. Okay, so ito yung ating previous circle. So center point, click home. Ngayon, click home, then draw, then circle, then i-click natin yung 2 point. Okay, so this one, click. Okay, so ngayon, anong susunod natin? Select the center point of the left side circle. So left side, so ito. So center point, so ito yung kanyang center point. Okay, so tanggalin na lang muna natin tong kanyang measurement. Okay, so draw, circle, 2 point. Then, hanapin natin yung circle. So, minsan guys, medyo mahirap i-locate yung ating mga object snap. So, kailangan mo siyang i-zoom in, zoom out para makuha niya. Okay, so nakuha na natin. Ito yung kanyang center. So, nakagawa na tayo ng okay, so dito. Then, dito tayo sa isang midpoint. Okay, so dito. Okay. So, i-erase natin to. So, i-drag natin. Then, click E in the command line. E din space bar. So, para mawala yung ating dimension. Okay, so ito na yung ating na-drawing guys. Same sa this one. So, dito tayo ng first point. Then, this one is the second point. Okay, so this method is 2 point. Okay, 2 point method sa pagdrawing ng circle. Okay, so next. Okay, so nasa example 4 na tayo guys. So 3 points o 3 point method tayo. Tingnan natin yung time. So 7 minutes pa. So okay pa. Okay. So in this example, you will create a circle by specifying 3 points. Okay, so the circle will pass through these 3 points. Okay, so open a new file. Okay, dito tayo. So kung mag-open tayo ng new file, pwede nating i-click yung plus sign dito sa new tab. Okay, so hantayin lang natin guys. Then, same sa mga ginawa natin. So dito tayo. Okay, so next is use the line tool and create the drawing. So in the figure, the coordinates points are also given in a figure. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung figure na ito. Okay, so triangle. Okay, so remember guys, pag drawing nito is yung una is command line L, space bar, then click ka lang dito sa ating workspace kung saan mo gusto. Then type dito, sorry, mali pala guys. So hindi pala ito direct kasi may coordinate siya. So ulitin natin, L. Okay, so 100, 100. Okay, so ito yung point. Then ang next natin is line. Okay, next natin is at 100. Enter. Then, yung kanyang kuan is 0. Okay, so sorry, may mali. Okay, so line at 100, 0. Okay, so nandito na. Then, yung next natin is line. Okay, so at 100, angle 120. Okay, so then close. So this one close. Okay. So ito na yung kanyang figure na sinasabi. The next is click home. Draw home, draw, then circle. Then 3 point. So this one, 3 point. Then yung gagawin natin is i-select natin yung tatlong vertices ng figure. So this one, and this one. Okay, so nakagawa na tayo ng circle gamit yung 3 point. Okay, so yung tatlong vertices ng ating triangle. Okay guys, so ito yung ating figure. Okay, so sana is nasundan nyo. So nasundan nyo yung ating mga ginawa. Okay. Okay, so yung next natin na example guys is yung example 5, tan or tangent reduce. Okay, so in this example you will create a circle by selecting two objects and then specifying the radius of the circle. This creates a circle tangent to objects. Okay, so yung una natin gagawin is home, then i-click natin yung utilities. Okay, so this one. So i-click natin yung utilities. Okay. Then ang i-click natin is measure. So ito. Then reduce. So ito. Okay. Then the message select an arc or circle ang lalabas. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung. Okay, so select the circle passing through the three vertices of the triangle, the radius and diameter. Values of the circle will be displayed above the command line. Okay, so click down natin ito. Okay, so lalabas yung radius, diameter, then kung ano yung option dito. Yung next natin na gagawin is click home. So utilities, quick calculator on the ribbon. Okay, so tingnan natin. So home, utilities, so nandito na, then quick calculator appears. Okay, utilities, then quick calculator. So labas natin. Okay. Okay, so i-type natin yung 5, 7, point 7350, then i-divide natin ng 2, divide 2. Okay, then equals, so yung lalabas guys is 28,867,75. Okay, so yan yung kanyang figure na lumabas. Okay, yung susunod natin gagawin is click home. Home. So 28. So tanda natin 28,867,65. So let's minimize this one. So home, draw, then circle, tan, reduce. Okay. Select natin. Then select the horizontal line of the triangle. Okay, so ito. Okay. This one. Then itong dalawang ito. Then click paste value to command line button on the quick calculator. The value 28 each same will be pasted on the command line. Okay, so command line tayo. Ilabas natin to. Copy. Then paste natin. Okay, so ano yung napansin nyo guys? So hindi pa tayo nag-enter ng command. Okay, so ang dapat natin gawin is draw circle tan. Okay, so sweep first main object first standing circle, so this one. Then say point to the second tangent, this one. Then specify radius of the circle. So yung radius natin is yung 28 each. Okay, so enter. Okay, so ito na yung ating figure. Okay, so yung pagkakamali natin kanina is hindi tayo nag-command muna ng circle na tan. Okay, so tingnan natin. Okay, so dito, so dapat naka-command muna tayo nito saka tayo maglabay ng figure. So okay. Okay, so ito na yung ating figure. So meron tayong circle na malaki. Then ito yung circle na nasa ilalim ng triangle or tangent ng triangle. Okay, so ito. So this one is the figure. Okay, so save and close the file daw. So i-save natin. Medyo okay, save. Okay, so tingnan natin kung pang ilang exercises na ito. So dito tayo. Learning sessions, AutoCAD. So this is okay, so circle. Examples. Okay. Click save. Okay, so kung napapansin nyo is nag-appear na yung file name sa tab dito. Okay, so meaning na save na yung ating ginawa. Okay, so guys, I think we are now on the 17th minute time. So I think yun lang guys sa part 6 ng ating learning session sa learning session 2. So thank you for continuing this learning session. Sana may natutunan kayo guys. And I hope na hindi kayo mabagot sa ating mga drawing sessions. Okay? So thank you and happy learning mga cowboys.